Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a small sheet and then fold it into half and then fold the edges. It will look like this. Now make so many out of it with different colors and then start attaching it all together very nicely. And once you are complete with it, it will look like this and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half. Now start folding the edges of it into the half as shown in the video. Now keep repeating the process and then fold it from the middle and make the edges out of it upside down. Now keep folding it all together. It will look like this and then again fold the upper portion of it and then the lower portion it will look like this. Now make 4 of it and then start attaching it all together as shown in the video. Now attach it very nicely and then fix it from the side and it's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it into half and then another half. Now make a semicircle out of it and cut it nicely. It will look like a flower. Now cut it from one side and make it into a cone and then roll the edges of it as shown in the video. Put a lollipop inside it and it's done. For this one, take a sheet and then fold it into half as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now fold it all together from the another side and your tie is done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it nicely as shown in the video. Now start folding the edges and make it as shown. Make it all upside down and then fold it nicely as it will start looking like this. Now turn it over and then fold it into half. Open it nicely and fold it from the bottom side. Now do it as shown in the video and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, take a sheet and fold it as shown. Now take a toothpick and start making the lines or the borders out of it as shown in the video from all the vertical and horizontal way. Once you are complete drawing it, cut it very nicely, open it and it's done. For the next one, take a tissue paper and then tear it nicely. Now start folding it into the linear way. It will look like this. Now take a string and tie it from the middle very nicely and then cut out the edges of it into the triangular way and then open it nicely from both the sides and then keep folding it the first portion and the second portion into the flower as it will look like this. It's done. Thanks for watching.